Okay, so 52. If 20 divided by 9 of a number, this number we don't know, right? Of a number. So of a number means of means multiplication. Number we don't know. Take that as x is equal to 18. What is the number? So it's very easy, right? 20 divided by 9 times x is equal to 18. So what to do? You have to isolate x, right? So you multiply by 9 and divide by 20. You do the same thing other side as well. So then 9, 9 gone, 20, 20 gone. So you get x is equal to like 18 times 9 divided by 20. So it would be 81 divided by 10. So 8.1 is the answer. So question number 53. So simplify, right? So you have to find, right? So that would be 2 times 3x plus 5 minus 4 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. So now what you do is, if you have here, it's going to be 6x. You write here 6x plus 10 minus 8x plus 28 is equal to 0. So from here you get minus 2x plus 38 is equal to 0. From here you get minus 20x, minus 2x is equal to minus 38. So you divide both sides by minus 2. So it would be x is equal to 19. So C is the answer.
Yeah.
Next question. What is the simple interest on this at 6%? 6% means what? Per year. If you deposit 100, you get 6% interest. Right? Interest means you can think like profit. How much you get after 4 years? So what you have to do is, for 1 year, for $100 you get 6. I have invested 255. So for 255, how much? So that would be 6 divided by 100 times 255. Right? So that is the profit. Right? So this is for 1 year. 1 year you get this much of profit or interest. So that means for 1 year, interest would be 6 divided by 100 times 255. So for 4 years, interest would be what? 4 times of this, right? So that would be 25, 51, 5. So it's going to be the 360 divided by 5. So it's going to be 61.2. So answer is D. Okay, so look at the figure, questions 55 to 57. So you have 50 here. Okay, got it. 120, you can got it. It's a rectangle. If Ron travels from A to B, okay, and A to B to D, okay, A to B here, B to D here, this way, and D to C here. How much distance does he cover? So this is going to be 50 here. This is going to be 50 here. So you need to find this X, right? So that's going to be easy, right? Why? Because that's going to be 130 actually. Why? Because if you have a right angle triangle, you know, if this is 3, 4, this is going to be 5. And if you have a right angle triangle, if this is 12, 5, this is 13. So you can see 50 here, 120 here. So this should be 130, right? So the total would be 130 plus 50 plus 50. So it's going to be 230, right?
Could you please explain that
A
again?
to B to D to C and then back to A. Back to A means again here. So that would be another 130. So answer would be 360. So this is the answer. So now, if run to travel ABDC, ABDC, how much is the total? What we had? 360, right? We had 360. So distance would be 360 meters. So the time would be 10 minutes. You have to check the answers. They are in seconds, right? Seconds. So this is going to be 600 seconds, right? So the speed would be what? Speed is distance. What distance? Total distance. Divided by total time. The total distance is 360 meters divided by 600 seconds. So that's going to be, right, if you multiply by, if you get rid of 6 here, it's going to be 10, 6, 0.6 m divided by sec. So the answer would be this. Now, same speed. So what is that speed? This. So that will tell you in 1 second, you travel 0.6 meters. How much time to cover 500 meters? So 1 meter, you will get 1 divided by 0.6 second. You need 500 meters, right? So you multiply both sides by 500. So essentially you have to simplify this. So that would be 500 divided by 6 times 10. So this is in seconds, right? So if you want to convert that into minutes, so what you have to do? 500 times 10 divided by 6. You have to divide that by 60 to convert that into minutes. So you can see 500 divided by 36. So it would be 13.88 or something. So answer is D. Now look at question number 59. Alex and Ben divide sum of money in 1:2 ratio. So that means Alex and Ben 1:2. If Ben receives 20 more than Alex, Ben receives 20 more than Alex. So that means Ben receives 20 more than Alex. So that means 20 plus A, right? So Ben is $20 more than Alex. So that means A, B can be replaced by this, right? 20 plus A. Then, if you have this structure is very much equal to the B structure here. Sorry, A structure here. You can see two sides, right, with X and Y. So what do you do? A divided by 20 plus A is equal to 1 divided by. When you cross multiply, you get 2A is equal to. So A is equal to 20. So what was the sum of money, right? Sum of money would be A. So what is B then? B is 40, right? Because $20 more. So sum of money means A plus B. That would be 60. So answer is right here. So this is a trap. See, this 20 is a trap. You have to read the question carefully. What is the sum of money? Read the question carefully. Okay, so now if you have 1 is equal to 9x, yeah, answer is actually C, 0. Why? Because 9 raised to the power 0 is 1, right? So 1 can be written as 9, 0. So it's going to be 1 and 1. So answer is this, right? But I will teach, right? questions with variables in power. So like this, 3, 2 is equal to 3x. So if you have that, you can see the same base here, 2, 2, 3, 3. So then 2 is equal to x. So if you have something like that, 3, 2 is equal to 3 x plus 1, like that, you have to find x. So if the powers, if the bases are equal, powers are going to be equal as well. So from here you get x is equal to 1. Sometimes is equal to 2x. So then how do you do that? So then you can see the bases are not equal. So you make the bases equal. So you convert 19 to 3. And the bases are equal. Then you can say 2 is equal to n. Fourth one, you get 27, 3 2x plus 1. Then you can see bases are not. So you make these equal. So 27 is 3 3. 3 2x plus 1. So now the bases are equal. Now you can say 3 is equal to 2x plus 1. So from here you get x is equal to 1 again.